Kumusta kayong lahat, YouTube friends and families? Ngayon ay Friday ng 10 in the morning. At oo, dahil Friday at off yung asawa ko, pupunta tayo sa boat. Dapat mamaya pa kami pupunta pero gusto naming abutan yung J&D Fish Market kasi every Friday open sila ng 10 to 11. Kaya ang husband ko ay nag-aya na para maabutan namin. At eto na nga, nakadating na tayo dito sa J&D Fish Market. Super fresh yung mga seafoods nila dito. At nagkikrave ang husband ko ng fish. Kaya eto, pumasok na siya sa loob para mamili ng fish na bibili niya. I'm waiting here with Scruffy. He's got salmon belly and pompano. Okay. He's going to the tricky stair or steps. He's getting all nervous. Nakabili siya ng swine fish, ng salmon belly, at ng isang pompano. Papunta na tayo sa boat, pero meanwhile, tingnan muna natin yung venue para sa SailGP na event dito sa Los Angeles. Pang second year na nila itong ginawa dito. At tomorrow, Saturday, mag-start yung game, yung race ng mga sailboats na yan, na para silang lumilipad sa water. Ayan, preview lang.
The last time it was the Emirate that your paperwork and make a simple phone call. It's a toll-free number.
Look, the trolley comes here?
Yeah. 800-464-35.
Today, huh?
That's 800-464. Actually, Fabricants, it's a full-service tax company. They are A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. 5-star for Google. This is what they do. They specialize in preparedness and making the IRS happy and you as well. Call them 800-464-3533.
Or video.
I think nasa 12 or 13 sailboats yung magkukompete this year para sa SailGP. Here comes all the sponsors. At eto na nga, pagdating namin dito sa boat, natapatan namin na hinihila na ng rubber boat yung mga finish line na sign at yung mga sponsors kagaya ng Rolex. Nire-ready na nila para sa game for tomorrow, SailGP. Start and finish. It's rough out there. Not yet. For the SailGP here in LA, Los Angeles. Nung bandang hapon, ayan ulit, nag-add ulit sila ng mga signage para sa SailGP tomorrow. Ayan naman yung hinihila nila. Diba ang cute? Medyo maulan kasi today kaya ganito lang, parang na-stuck kami sa boat. Friday evening, talagang umulan ng sobra. Nag-start yung ulan ng gabi. Hanggang ano na yun, kinaumagahan ng Saturday. Kaya medyo boring. Naka-stuck lang kami dito sa loob, nanonood ng Netflix series ganun at ng YouTube videos. There he comes. Umuulan, napaka-rough at sobrang lakas ng wind. Pero perfecto para makapag-practice yung mga competitors para sa CLGP tomorrow. Ayan, meron na nga isa nagpa-practice. Parang New Zealand yata yung nag-practice na yan. It's too cold. Too cold, Pop. My scruffy. My scruffy. Okay, after naming manood ng Netflix movie ay nag-prepare na nga ako ng dinner. Nagluluto ako ng rice-a-roni tsaka yung fish na binili natin kanina sa J&D. Loves it. Hindi ko na nga na-film habang kumakain kami, natulog na kami, ganun. At okay, the following morning, Saturday morning, good thing, medyo maaraw na. Kami ay nagpunta sa Dollar Tree store dahil may binili kami. Nakakaaliw yung mga hair accessories nila dito, kaya napabili din ako syempre. Ang gaganda kaya. Tapos dollar something lang. Pero kukunti yung customer nila dito. Dati nga pala itong 99 cents only store, pero na bankrupt, kaya ang pumalit ay yung Dollar Tree. Not yet. They're like heaven to me, all the hair cloths. 3 pieces. So pretty. Headband. This one, they got it in the Philippines. Here. Magagaling namin sa Dollar Tree, bumalik kami sa boat para kuhanin si Scruffy. Kasi yung bakery na pinuntahan namin kanina, wala pang available nung binibili ng asawa ko. Sabi 1 hour daw, kaya umuwi kami, bumalik kami sa boat para kuhanin si Scruffy. Para mag-walking kami dito sa Averill Park. Para naman ma-enjoy ng Scruffy the Sea Dog din yung perfect weather today for a walk. Oh gosh. Sobrang ganda pala yung Averill Park dito sa San Pedro, California. Kaya pala talk of the town ito doon sa San Pedro Group dahil napaka-enchanting ng lugar. Meron sila ditong cute bridge at meron ding pond na maraming ducks at turtles. Maganda siya for pre-nap pictures ganon, o mga events, family picnic. Napakaganda kasi very maraming puno at plants. Ang ganda ng paligid. Magandang mag-walking dito. Hindi sunog yung balang sa araw. Kaya perfect para kay Scruffy. Redwood tree. Ducks. Hi, ducks.
Not happy at all, huh?
No.
Yeah. Look at.
It's dead.
I don't know. I might be wrong about the tree. It's not going like it's going to.
Cute. Do you like it here, Scruffy? They said no. Keep out, we live here.
Rose garden. Next is the rose garden. Oh, tower. Look on the rocks.
Turtles. People just donate them, right?
Yeah. And if you mark it, you can come back and say, look, there's waddles. Look, they're watching this carefully, huh? They would love worms, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Bring some worms and go like this. I'm gonna bring some unique. Come on.
Pop up, go. What you doing, Pop up? Oh, look at that. Red flowers, red blooms.
Oh, coral tree.
Oh.
Come on.
It would be nice to live close by, and then you can always like
Come
go
on.
for a walk with Scrap. Just don't fall.
Come on. I know this is Pride of Madeira. Really a bathroom?
No.
Good. Yeah. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Scrap.
Okay.
Wow.
It's slippery.
Oh. It's like, Dada, you're so tired.
Look at the wood creation.
That's the picture taking still going on. Clean up.
Did you see that small girl colleague with Scruffy?
Yeah.
How old is she?
Probably 7.
Yeah. How old is it?
Cute.
How cool is that?
After namin mag-walking sa Averill Park, bumalik na kami dito sa Holy Ann's Bakery, pero wala pa din yung ano nila, yung dingdong cakes na hinahanap ng asawa ko, kaya uwi na lang kami. At tama-tama, nakita namin yung Wii truck na nag-deliver ng aking mga online orders, Filipino goods. Kaya ayan, tuwan-tuwa ako dahil dineliver na nila sa office yung aking mga Filipino goodies. Thanks, Wii! Siguro pang 4th order ko na to sa Wii. But
See you soon, Greg.
Sour's gonna get the Wii package. Oh, you're just waiting there, Pop Up. Good boy.
I know my wife's going nuts on the internet.
What did you order? You keep ordering stuff. You got milkfish.
No.
Isa na naman pong masayang Filipina ang nagtagumpay sa pag-order online. Mamaya na natin siya i-unbox. Papakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga in-orders ko. Scrappy, come on.
No, if you poop again, Hey, you still have some rice?
Oh, you died. Some of the items are on sale, $2 off. Meanwhile, manood muna tayo ng sale GP dahil nag-start na siya after namin mag-nap. It's over there. Kaya ayan, uuwi din kami mamaya, Saturday afternoon, para makapag-ready bukas para sa church. I'll show you the sale bus later. To the racetrack. As you can see them right now, they're moving. sailboat like this. Colorful one behind. And the helicopter is following them.
Australia, they look like they've done well, but they've made a bit of a loss.
The New Zealand is winning. See how fast. So we can watch it from YouTube Live and out here. Just in the back of our boat, you can see them. Emirates. Nakakatuwa din dito kasi pagka nasa likod ka ng boat namin, mapapanood mo yung CLGP race. At the same time, mapapanood mo rin siya sa YouTube Live. Kaya aware ka sa nangyayari kung sino yung nananalo na country. Today, parang tatalo ay ang Brazil at ang New Zealand. The flying sailboats. It's perfect weather right now. It's really windy. Okay, afternoon coffee. Tayo ay mag-coffee at kumain ng cream cheese Danish.
What that means is there's less of a wind shadow under the grandstands and it's a more open course. So that's why you're seeing there's a little bit more space out here. It's not a one-way track anymore. But as you guys are saying, it's just about finding space out here because it's so condensed.
Not condensed for the Kiwis or the Canadians as they are in clear water. No one within 200.
Just keep going. Martini Grail's found a beautiful route on this upwind leg at the moment. It's going to be really tight in here. Lever Billard calls for a fat lay line. He wants to give space coming into gate number 3. It's going to be very tight. They won't have
They turn by this pedal thing.
Dumating na ngayon time, tayo ay uwi na ulit, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Nagsasara na ng
Yep.
boat ang aking asawa. Like this bridge, grabe yan.
Because if I knew how high we were, I would be jumping.
That's Scrappy Bridge. When are they gonna close this bridge? What the heck?
I know. Get us all this.
Ayan, medyo late na kami nakauwi. At okay, fast forward, Sunday morning. Mag-church muna tayo. Ayan yung mga eksena sa church. May guest speaker kami today, si Pastor Sede. Mahilig siyang kumanta ng mga oldies, pero yung mga lyrics ay Christian. Pinapalitan niya ng Christian or biblical lyrics. After church, kami nagpunta sa store sa Aldi para mag-grab ng some groceries. Pero alam niyo na, pag nasa grocery store ka, kahit yung mga wala naman sa list mo, nadadampot mo na din. At after nating mag-lunch, at afternoon coffee kami ay work dito sa backyard. Nag-pull kami ng mga weeds, nag-pull out ng mga weeds, naglinis. So, very productive ang aming Sunday. At after nito, magre-ready na din ako for dinner. Dahil may dinner kami, ako yung magluluto kasama yung aking stepmom. So, guys, dito ko na natapusin yung video na to. At salamat sa pagnood.
How'd you get that big thing out of there?
Oops! Okay, Monday additional video. Si Norman, ayan, nagigreet sa inyo guys ng St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick daw from Norman. Thanks for watching. God bless.